We have a couple things to do today. We're gonna try to replace the front headlight of the Scion TC to a brand new headlight, so that we're gonna bring the car to looking like new. Because I'm gonna show you what old headlight looks like versus brand new headlight on the car, and see how much it transforms the car. I would just buff the headlights to a brand new condition, but that's gonna take a long time, and for like $130 I got new headlights, so much cheaper I think. So let's do it. Let's change the headlight. So here we have our new headlights. Look at how clean they look, how crisp and clear that looks. It's gonna look great on the car. So here's before they look alike. It's pretty worn. So right now, I just want to get the OEM stuff, like these gaskets or sealers, and replace it with these ones. Cause I think these one, I don't know, I don't like the look of these. More like the OEM part better. Maybe they'll fit better if I replace these. So I'm gonna try and go ahead and do that right now. Put these ones and change these ones. Oh yeah, man, changing these to the OEM part, it fits so much better. There's no gaps around here. And you can see that the screws that they use are really cheap ones versus the OEM one, which is like a flat hat one, so it has a better fitment. Yeah, man, changing these to OEM parts, it's so much better. It fits so much better. All right, I'm done. Let's put this on. Look at that, it's all new again. Looks 10 times better. Now all I need to do is just get a new bumper and a new paint. Anybody want to sponsor me a new paint job? Alright, she's looking pretty new. She's look pretty now. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. She's looking all new right now with just that headlight replacement. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'll see you guys next time. Remember to subscribe and like this video, or comment below if you have any questions. See ya. Bye.